super insane, guys. I'm not really trying to pay full price, you know how I am, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this right now. Hey guys, so today in this guide, I'll be showing you how to get AltStore on your phone, no computer needed. So that sounds ludicrous, but I found the website. So go to the browser and type matrixmods.com, then look for AltStore. This is the AltStore JIT. It doesn't include a computer or wire. You can just do it on your phone. So press download, and the next thing we have to do is verify our device. So this will make certain people cry, but it's actually really easy. You just have to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it loaded up and it says like missing files or whatever. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps. I don't really give a shit what you do, but make sure you do 2 of them. So yeah, peace out, brotherhood. This is legit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. You can see like Family Island says reach level 10. It's a game, so I could do that. DraftKings, you know, whatever. These are easy to do, guys. So you press help, you can watch a video. But yeah, it's super awesome. So I hope you guys found this useful, because a lot of people don't find it useful because they're broke. But if you actually complete the verification, which is pretty easy, you'll have AltStore on your phone without a computer. But if you press help, you can watch a video, so that's pretty cool. You can see the video right here. So yeah, super awesome. So if you guys need this, definitely try it out. This is not going to require a computer or anything, so don't get upset about computers and stuff. That's the whole point of this video. But make sure you go to settings and keep that background app refresh turned on, because that's going to make your device like really good for downloading stuff. So yeah, peace out, brotherhood. This actually works. But yeah, matrixmods.com, guys, that's the website you got to go to get this down and dirty tutorial finished. So peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had no issues personally, but yeah, it's really cool. I think a lot of people are going to catch on to this one, so